In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 22 Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Cintiq 22 is a versatile creative pen display designed for artists, students, and hobbyists, featuring advanced connectivity options including AC adapter, USB, and HDMI. This tablet boasts an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, making it ideal for precise and natural drawing experiences. The included Pro Pen 2 enhances performance with tilt recognition, virtually lag-free tracking, and customizable buttons for quick access to shortcuts. The device is equipped with an LCD display that showcases high-definition resolution and vibrant, true-to-life colors, ensuring an exceptional visual experience. With its anti-glare glass and relaxed parallax, users can enjoy fingertip control that mimics the feel of traditional drawing. The package includes the Wacom Cintiq 22 tablet, Pro Pen 2, 3 replacement nibs, a nib remover, a 3-in-1 connectivity cable, an AC adapter, power cable, and a quick start guide, making it an all-encompassing tool for creative pursuits. Number 2. HUION KAMVAS Pro 16 Drawing Tablet. The HUION KAMVAS Pro 16 is a versatile drawing tablet featuring a 15.6-inch full laminated screen with anti-glare glass, providing outstanding visuals and a smooth drawing experience. With an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a vibrant color gamut of 120% sRGB, artists can enjoy true-to-life colors and sharp details. The tablet is designed for optimized workflow, incorporating 6 customizable express keys and a touch bar for quick access to shortcuts. Its adjustable stand allows for a comfortable working angle, reducing strain on the neck and shoulders. The battery-free pen offers precise tracking with 60 degrees tilt recognition and programmable side buttons for added convenience. Connectivity is streamlined with a 3-in-1 USB-C cable, ensuring a tidy workspace while supporting compatibility with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems, as well as popular creative software. However, it should be noted that the KAMVAS Pro 16 requires connection to a computer or laptop to function. Number 3. Wacom Intuos Pro. The Wacom Intuos is a precision graphics tablet designed for professionals in image editing, illustration, and design, featuring advanced Pro Pen technology that provides exceptional 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. With its Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, the tablet promotes a compact and versatile design, enabling users to work seamlessly with touch gestures and programmable buttons. The ergonomic, battery-free Wacom Pro Pen 2 enhances control and sensitivity, making it a preferred tool for creative tasks. Additionally, the tablet includes productivity boosters such as customizable express keys and a touch ring for quick shortcuts. By registering the device, users gain access to 3 months of Capture One software and 250 GB of MASV file transfer, a valuable offer for customers in the Americas. Number 4. Frunsi T8 Standalone Drawing Tablet. The Frunsi Drawing Tablet is a standalone digital art tool designed for creative professionals and hobbyists alike. Operating on the latest Android 13, this portable tablet features an 8-inch liquid retina display with a vibrant resolution of 1200 by 800, delivering lifelike colors and sharp details to enhance your artistic experience. Equipped with a powerful MTK quad-core CPU, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of internal storage, expandable via TF card, users can seamlessly run multiple graphic applications simultaneously without lag. The tablet's pressure-sensitive stylus pen closely mimics traditional drawing, making it ideal for sketching, painting, and detailed illustrations. With a robust battery offering up to 5 hours of usage, artists can enjoy extended creative sessions. Additionally, the drawing tablet is certified by GMS, FCC, UKCA, and CE standards, ensuring quality and safety, while a 1-year warranty provides peace of mind. Combining powerful drawing functions with the flexibility of Android, this tablet allows easy installation of popular creative apps like Sketchbook and Ibis Paint X, positioning it as an essential companion for anyone in the digital art realm. Number 5. XP Pen Deco 03 Drawing Tablet. The XP Pen Deco 03 is a versatile wireless drawing tablet designed for both professional and aspiring artists, featuring a spacious 10 by 5.62-inch active area with a surface texture that closely mimics paper for enhanced control during digital drawing. It boasts an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, providing a nuanced experience while using the Comfort Grip, battery-free stylus. The tablet's unique multifunction dial located at the top left corner allows users to easily scroll, zoom, and customize settings, complemented by 6 programmable shortcut keys to streamline workflow. Additionally, the device supports both left and right-hand users and is compatible with a range of operating systems, including Windows 10, 11, and Mac OS, as well as creative software like Photoshop and Illustrator, making it an excellent choice for artists looking to elevate their digital art experience. Customization options further enhance usability, allowing users to adjust pressure sensitivity and shortcut keys to fit their unique preferences.